Founder and guitarist for the iconic rock band the Eagles died. He was 67 years old, and he died from complications from rheumatoid arthritis, acute ulcerative colitis, and pneumonia. Dr. Kevin Campbell joins us now live, and usually these ailments are not deadly, or are they?
So both of these diseases, rheumatoid arthritis and ulcerative colitis, are autoimmune diseases, and they're really chronic. They affect you over a lifetime. However, some of the treatments for these diseases can cause an acute illness or an infection, like in the case of Mr. Frey.
So there was an infection from the treatment. Is that something people who might be suffering from colitis or rheumatoid arthritis need to have a discussion with their doctors about?
Absolutely. Some of the drugs that we use for both of these conditions affect our immune system, and they suppress our immune system. So in the case of Mr. Frey, it appears he developed a pneumonia, and with his immune system suppressed, he may not have been able to fight that infection off as vigorously as he might have otherwise.
Wouldn't that have been something his doctor should have advised him about when he was on the medications for the acute issues?
Well, certainly, as his physician, I'm sure that they weigh the risks and the benefits of any treatment, but some of these diseases, particularly ulcerative colitis, can become so severe that you really have to use these immune therapies because they can be life-changing and really change the course of the disease. But with everything, you have to balance risk and benefit.
Sure, risk and benefit, but this begs the questions. Colitis is something you hear about with friends or perhaps even relatives. How often do people, because of the medications, become susceptible and die as a result? Is there a statistic that we can use to maybe reassess whether we want our loved ones on these medications?
So I think these medications are good if they're used under a good physician supervision. I do think that the risk is quite low of having life-threatening infections.
Dr. Kevin Campbell, thank you very much for joining us. Hour 3 of Varney is 3 minutes away.